Hello friends, this is Sanvi Verma again back to you with a new book. The book name is The Prophet and it's also with a new taste, like this is a poetry book, not the literature one. Which is the previous one of my books. So this book is written by Mr. Khalil Gibran. This book is based on the writer is out of the country, his house, and living lonelinessly with a long period of 12 years, and right now he is coming back to his home. He is on the ship, but he is collapsed by the public and people won't allow him to come back to the home. So the word prophet stands for the Devdut, like he is the saint guy and he make the people understand about the love, about the feelings, about their families and how to live in along with their social reforms and how to live the life with the joyness and ends it with the full of happiness. This book has been published in 14 different languages, but the rumors are that these are not printed out till yet. But up to the year 2012, over 9 million copies of this book has been sold out, and it's a big amount. And the subject of the book is life and the human conditions. And when you read the book, you will have the feel of love, of marriage relations, and the life goes on. The writer focused on the way of life, way of love to life, way to feel to life, and way to love the life. So guys, here I am reading you some phrase of the book from the chapter Love. Like, when you love, you should not say that God is in my heart, but rather I am in the heart of God. And think not you can direct the course of love, for love, if finds you worthy, directs your course. Love has no other desire but to fulfill itself. But if you love and must needs have desires, let this be your desires. And the next chapter is of marriage, then another one is of children, then friendship, the eating, reading, and religious, Hinduism, socialism, friendship. Like, when you read this book, you will have the complete feel that how to love the life and live your life at the fullest. So guys, from the very first year of its publishing, like in 1923, the writer published all over 2000 copies, but he sold out around 1000 only. But in the year 1957, he sold out around 1 million copies of the same. And till now, as I told you, the book has sold out in the number of 9 millions. So you can yourself get the point that how much the popularity of book is. That's why I suggest you to read the same to know the way to live the life. So friends, this is a review of this book, and please read this to know how to live the life. And keep watching me, Sanvi Verma, and also like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel of book review. The name is Book Maestro. Don't forget to like that. And till then, happy reading, and we will back to you with a new book and new review.